Hey, good morning, PLTW2 students. Happy Friday. Not that it means much anymore on Fridays. Um, Today, we're going to talk about week four's lesson, which is going to be basically identical to last week's. The reason being, we had a pretty low submission rate, and I had a lot of students asking questions about some of the complicated stuff on the data table that you were required to fill out, and some of you weren't able to procure your parents' water bill statement. So that said, I've adjusted the assignment. I'm going to show you here in a sec. But first, let's fall back and let's see what we're actually learning here. I can identify that water plays a critical role in our daily lives, and that it should be used wisely, and users should consider saving it whenever possible. Okay, that's what we want to learn. Here's how I'm going to know you learned it. You can calculate daily water consumption in your home and generate and recommend 2 water conservation strategies. Okay. All the instructions will be posted on Classroom as soon as I wrap this video up. It'll have the YouTube link to this video. It'll also have the new and improved Water Audit Google Doc. A few vocabulary words, just like last week. Sustainable, consumption, conservation, volume, and flow rate. Those are going to pop up uh, over and over during this activity. So, anyways, that is our what we're going to learn, how we're going to learn it, and some things that'll help you. And now here's the new and improved water audit activity. Move this here. This one basically starts out the same. However, I've added these really cool text boxes to answer your questions in, so it looks more organized. Okay, for each question. And now here's the really cool part. Every single question that might be give you pause and need clarification on, I've attached a link that will help you. There are surveys, there are videos, there are actual calculating links that help you calculate volume and things like that. So, anyways, it's just much more user friendly than the first one I sent out. Part of that's on me. I apologize. This type of learning's tough, guys. And you guys that did reach out, I really appreciate that. It's so great to hear from you guys. I'm just as bored as you are. Don't forget that. Um, so, anyways, got a typo here. Let me fix that. Okay. All right. So, basically, yeah, I'd like you to look over this. Give it a whirl. You guys the very few of you that did submit last week's assignment, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the effort. Feel free to go in this one and look at some of the links and uh, give it a whirl. So, anyways, I will. I'll need to have this back by Thursday, the 23rd. Um, and let's use Tuesday, the 21st at 2 o'clock for our weekly virtual meeting to hash out any questions or clarifications that you need answered. Um, because you'll still have 2 days to get it done after our virtual meeting on Tuesday. So, sorry, I'm terrible at making these videos. I hope this got the point across. Please, please, please reach out to me if you have any questions or anything's confusing about it, so we can get that hashed out. Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks. Have a great weekend, and I will see you when I see you. So take care.